Oh, wow. I wasn't expecting anyone. Oh, I'm so sorry. This place is atrocious. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me just leave. Okay, so hi, welcome to my room during the fall time. I'm going to quickly go through everything, but I am not going to say things that I've said in previous room tours. If you want to see them, they're linked down below. Go check them out. We're going to start with the main entranceway. I don't know why. These amber bottles I got from Hobby Lobby. The little dry leaves I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And these bad guys were 75% off from the spring collection at Hobby Lobby. This little guy, I had him last year. He's from Hobby Lobby and he is there again this year. This candle is from World Market. And then again, this is from Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. There's a trend going on with where I shop. So now we have this just huge monstrosity of a wall. I really can't tell you like what this wall is supposed to be. This just has a bunch of random things. I always say like less is less and more is more, which is poetic if I do say so myself. So all this stuff is either from Home Goods or Hobby Lobby last year. Don't know if they have the exact same thing, but you can find stuff like this easily there. And then down here, again, Hobby Lobby, Hobby Lobby. This is here all year round. And so, okay, this I got this year from a like secondhand store. And wait until Christmas because I'm gonna turn it into a, well, I'm not gonna actually tell you what I'm gonna turn it into. It's gonna be cool. So you're gonna have to tune back in when I post in another 3 months. So I just have candles in here and then my records down here. This I made in college. I got the flowers from Hobby Lobby and I think I stole this from my mom, TBH. I don't know where I got it. This area is obviously my bed area. We have my side table and I just got these little things from Hobby Lobby. I got this from TJ Maxx. This is from last year at TJ Maxx. And then these are also last year from Hobby Lobby. And then I have my aromatherapy. I have my string lights around my bed. And then everyone always asks me anyways, I got this at World Market, but it stays there all year round. This also stays up year round. This, again, it stays up year round. Everyone always asks me. I got it at Home Depot. It's $99. Go get it. This I got this year from Hobby Lobby, and this is also some random sprigs I got from Hobby Lobby as well. And then this is just a bunch of random things, assortments, and honestly I can't tell you where everything is from because I cannot remember. The only thing that changed in this area is this pumpkin. I got it this year. It lights up, it's sick, and it's from Hobby Lobby. And last but not least, because I forgot to say, this rug, I got it at like a wholesale warehouse. Super nice. Always look and see if there's any like secondhand, wholesale, overstock places around you because this rug I think was originally $250 and I got it for $70. So yeah, it's a good deal.
Oh, that's definitely on sale, right? That over there is on sale. What? Discounted. Discounted price.